A strong vacuum may make a significant difference in keeping your home clean. Dyson leads the pack with its unique designs, which combine powerful suction, many cleaning modes, and smart features that make daily tasks easier. From the Dyson V8 Plus with its motor bar cleaner head and detangling hair tools to HEPA filtration that collects 99.99% of particles, these vacuums can handle everything from carpets to hard surfaces. They're lightweight but resilient, making them ideal for floors, furniture, stairs, and even cars. Dyson vacuums provide a complete and convenient clean every time thanks to fade-free suction, smart attachments, and an intuitive design. Whether you have a pet or simply want a clean home, these vacuums make cleaning faster, smarter, and more pleasurable. Number 7. Dyson V8 Plus. The Dyson V8 Plus vacuum is designed to be versatile, tackling anything from carpets to hard floors without tying you down with cables. Its motor bar cleaner head digs deep into every floor type while detangling long hair and pet fur as you clean. With 3 useful attachments, you can reach high shelves, small corners, and even tough locations behind furniture. Additionally, the wall dock keeps it charged and available at all times. Suction is unquestionably one of the nicest characteristics. It's ideal for daily cleaning with up to 40 minutes of fade-free cleaning, and when you need a little more power, the Max mode tackles tough problems for up to 5 minutes. It also works as a handheld vacuum, making it easy to clean automobiles, stairs, furniture, and even pet beds. The hair screw tool is a game changer for pet owners since it removes lengthy hair swiftly and without knots. Dyson did not skimp on filtration either. Its innovative whole machine HEPA system captures 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, making the hair your vacuum blows back cleaner than what you breathe. The design is lightweight yet sturdy, making it easy to use while being made to last, and assistance is always available via the My Dyson app. On the downside, the Max mode only lasts 5 minutes, so truly heavy cleaning may require numerous passes, and while it is lightweight, some users may find it too big for extended overhead cleaning. Nonetheless, for a cordless vacuum that combines power, versatility, and smart features, the Dyson V8 Plus provides an extremely thorough clean. Number 6. Bosch. The Bosch Unlimited 9 cordless stick vacuum is designed to make cleaning effortless and precise. One of its most notable characteristics is its excellent 60-minute runtime, thanks to its 3.0 AH battery. That means you can work on numerous rooms or floor levels without having to constantly recharge, which is especially useful in larger homes or multi-story spaces. Cleaning involves more than just removing obvious dirt. The microclean technology provides a strong visual indicator that your floors are actually clean. A blue light on the ring indicates that there are nearly no particles left, allowing you to proceed with confidence. The microclean brush collects even the smallest dust particles down to 0.3 microns, leaving nothing behind, whether you're cleaning hard surfaces, carpets, or pet hair. For allergy sufferers, HEPA filtration is a game changer. It retains more than 99.99% of dust and allergens, preventing them from being discharged back into the atmosphere. Furthermore, the dust compression slider compacts trash inside the bin, decreasing dust clouds and cutting the number of times you need to empty it by half. However, because the vacuum is incompatible with Bosch power tools, it must be used on its own. While the duration is substantial, hard cleaning sessions with a lot of debris may require a recharge in the middle. Despite this, the Bosch Unlimited 9 combines a long battery life, superior cleaning technology, and smart design elements that make daily vacuuming faster, cleaner, and more pleasurable. Number 5. Eureka. The Eureka Flex Reach is intended for those seeking vigorous cleaning without the bother. Its most notable feature is its adaptability. The vacuum's main pod detaches in a single step, transforming it into a flip-up unit that can easily reach under mattresses, behind furniture, or even up on shelves and draperies. This makes it more than simply a floor cleaner. It's a whole household solution. The brush roll is designed to handle hair without creating tangles that impede the cleaning process. The anti-tangle technology protects lengthy strands, pet hair, and common dirt from tangling. The 960-watt motor prevents a powerful 192 AW suction, so carpets, rugs, and hard floors are thoroughly cleaned without losing power. Furthermore, the lighted LED cleaning path is a game changer. 10 brilliant lights on the nozzle highlight dust, crumbs, and pet hair, even in dark corners and under furniture, ensuring that nothing is missed. It's also shockingly simple to use. The swivel base enables for easy movement around furniture, and the lift-up pod offers adaptability for above-floor cleaning. The washable filter helps to maintain performance over time, and despite its strong motor, it operates rather quietly. On the negative, it's corded, so you're limited by outlet location, and some users may find it too bulky for very small places. Nonetheless, the Eureka Flex Reach combines power, flexibility, and clever features such as LED lights and anti-tangle brushes that make daily cleaning easier, smarter, and more enjoyable. Number 4. KitMax X20. The KitMax X20 cordless vacuum is designed to make cleaning simple, effective, and even pleasant. Its core is a 550-watt brushless motor with 50 kPa suction, which can handle everything from smashed chips under the dining table to fine dust trapped in carpet fibers or floor grout. The 80,000 RPM turbo motor offers quick, quiet, and thorough cleaning, reducing what would normally take hours to just a few minutes. One of its most notable elements is the aromatherapy design. Simply insert a scented pad, lavender for peace or rose for elegance, and the airflow will spread a pleasant aroma as you clean. It changes your environment from simply clean to freshly scented, making vacuuming less of an inconvenience. With up to 70 minutes of runtime from 8 high-capacity 2200 mAh batteries and a detachable design, you can handle numerous rooms without interruption. The flat turbo anti-tangle brush roll effortlessly removes hair, pet fur, and carpet fibers, gliding from tile to carpet. Its ergonomic thumb access control lets you easily select among 3 power modes, so delicate curtains or stubborn pet hair is no problem. The big 1.5-liter dust cup and 7-layer filtration technology catch even small particles, keeping your air clean while requiring fewer visits to empty it. Extra features such as green searchlights to detect concealed dust and a self-standing or lie-flat design make reaching difficult areas simple. On the negative, it's a little larger than some stick vacuums, which may feel weighty for quick pickups, and fully utilizing all capabilities takes some adjustment. Nonetheless, the X20 combines power, versatility, and careful design to make cleaning faster, smarter, and more pleasurable. Number 3. Shark. The Shark Power Pro Plus cordless stick vacuum is designed for vigorous cleaning without the need for cables. One of its most amazing features is hypervelocity suction, which provides forceful, consistent cleaning for everything from crumbs on hard wood to deep-set grime and carpets. What makes it even smarter is Floor Detect technology, which detects the type of surface you're on and automatically adjusts the brush roll speed. That means no more fumbling to change settings or attachments. It's always optimized for the job. Pet owners will like the self-cleaning brush roll, which effortlessly gathers up hair with no unpleasant tangles. The vacuum also operates for up to 50 minutes on a single charge, allowing you to clean your entire home in one go. For allergy sufferers, the HEPA filtration, along with an anti-allergen full seal, captures 99.97% of dust and allergens, keeping your indoor air cleaner and healthier. LED spotlights on the nozzle highlight dust and debris in dark corners or beneath furniture, ensuring that nothing is missed. The Power Pro Plus also converts easily into a handheld vacuum, allowing you to clean countertops, shelves, stairs, and car interiors. The included 8-inch duster crevice tool makes accessing tight spaces even easier. On the negative, some users find it significantly heavier than other stick vacuums for extended cleaning sessions, and fully utilizing all capabilities may need some skill. Nonetheless, with powerful suction, smart floor detection, anti-hair wrap technology, and easy attachments, the Shark Power Pro Plus makes daily cleaning faster, smarter, and more pleasurable. Number 2. Hoover. The Hoover Wind Tunnel 3 Max Performance Pet is designed for individuals seeking a strong, no-nonsense clean. Its powerful suction technology lifts and wraps even the toughest debris, crumbs, and pet hair, leaving carpets and hardwood floors immaculate. The quick pass brush roll speeds up cleaning by sweeping up surface waste with fewer passes, while the broad 30-foot cord provides ample reach across large rooms without the need to switch outlets frequently. This vacuum is not just for floors. It comes with a comprehensive set of adaptable tools, including a pet turbo tool, a pivoting dusting brush, a telescopic wand, and a crevice tool, making it simple to clean upholstery, stairs, corners, and hide areas. Pet owners and parents will appreciate the HEPA media filter, which captures dust, allergens, and odors, keeping the air in your home cleaner. When combined with Wind Tunnel 3 technology and 13 powerful cyclones, it effectively lifts dirt both above and below the surface. On the negative, as a corded upright, it might seem cumbersome in small areas and requires plugging in for longer sessions, which may be less handy than a cordless choice. It's also heavier than some other versions, so getting it around the house requires some work. Nonetheless, with its powerful suction, clever brush design, versatile tools, and enhanced filtration, the Hoover Wind Tunnel 3 Max Performance Pet provides a complete, dependable clean for households with pets, children, or anybody who desires floors that truly gleam. Number 1. Uninel Home. The Uninel Home cordless vacuum is intended to make cleaning simple, comprehensive, and even pleasant. Its 450-watt brushless engine generates 45,000 PA of turbo suction, which quickly lifts embedded pet hair from carpets and collects fine debris from hardwood, tile, and low-pile carpets. One of its most clever features is the Auto Boost shutdown. When you turn it off in bare floor mode, it surges suction for 3 seconds, drawing any trapped hair or dust out of the brush roll and leaving no mess behind. This vacuum is designed for both convenience and flexibility. capability. It runs up to 60 minutes on a single charge, enough to clean a 2,000 square foot home, and the detachable battery allows you to switch in a spare available separately for continuous cleaning. The V-Flare anti-tangle brush roll is a godsend for pen owners since it ensures that hair falls directly into the 1-liter dust cup rather than being coiled around the roller, reducing maintenance by half. Practical design elements make daily cleaning simpler. The vacuum can stand on its own, slips under furniture with a 180-degree low profile, and includes LED lights to reveal hidden dust in dark areas. Simply switch to handheld mode to handle stairs, furniture, car interiors, or drapes. The ergonomic design and lightweight body, 4.4 pounds, make it simple for anybody to use, including elders and children. On the downside, properly utilizing all the functions may take some getting used to, and heavier trash may necessitate numerous passes. Nonetheless, with powerful suction, anti-tangle technology, and various attachments, the Uninel Home Cordless Vacuum makes daily cleaning faster, smarter, and less of a chore. And there you have it, the best Dyson and cordless vacuums that make cleaning faster, smarter, and even more pleasant. These vacuums can clean everything from carpets to hard floors, stairs, furniture, and even cars, thanks to powerful suction and anti-tangle brushes, as well as lengthy run times and various accessories. Whether you have pets, children, or simply want pristine floors without the trouble, there is something here for everyone. If you found this guide useful and want more honest, practical reviews, don't forget to subscribe to the Legit Pick channel and click the bell to never miss our top recommendations.